In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all your files in Google Docs for offline use. This is particularly useful if you want to be able to access your Google Docs files without an internet connection, whether you're on the go or just don't have reliable internet access. Let's dive right in by opening your web browser and heading over to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar sight of the range of templates and projects you've previously created. This is your central hub where all your documents reside. Now, while you can certainly start a new document from this page, our focus today is making sure you can access your existing documents even when you're offline. To make your files available offline, you'll need to pay close attention to the interface. Look at each document and locate the vertical three-dot menu, which is found at the bottom of each file's options menu. Click on these three dots, and this will reveal a menu where you'll find an option labeled Make Available Offline. Selecting this will cause a small circle or button to turn blue, indicating that the document is now saved for offline access. Do ensure you go through this process for every document you want available offline. Once you have made these selections, it's akin to downloading those files. They are now securely stored on your device, ready to use whenever you find yourself without an internet connection. You can repeat this for as many Google Docs files as you need. Although this method is straightforward, it's incredibly effective for ensuring that your important documents are always within reach, no matter your internet situation. To confirm everything is properly set up, let's test it out by disconnecting from the internet. You can do this by turning off your Wi-Fi or unplugging your Ethernet cable. Now try opening one of the documents you've set for offline access. You'll notice a few changes in the interface when you're offline. The share button will be unavailable, and you might see a notification at the top of the page that says, "Trying to connect," regarding the autosave feature. These signs confirm that your internet is off, yet you can still access your document just as you would if you were online. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure your work is always at your fingertips, regardless of your internet connectivity. Give it a try and enjoy the flexibility of working offline with Google Docs. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you navigate your digital world.